Desktop icons on Windows 11 gives you quick access to your favorite apps, files, folders, and more. What if these desktop icons vanish without a trace? So in the short video tutorial, here are some ways on how you can fix it. First up, enable Show Desktop Icons. You just have to right-click on anywhere on an empty spot on your desktop, select View, then select Show Desktop Icons. Now once you do this, all of your hidden desktop icons should reappear. Next up, check Desktop Icon Settings. Do that by opening Settings, open Personalization, click Themes, choose Desktop Icon Settings, then under this section, use the checkboxes to enable the icons you want to appear on your desktop. To save these changes, click Apply followed by OK. Moreover, you have to restart Windows Explorer. To do so, open Task Manager, click on Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, then select Restart. Now your taskbar will disappear for a brief moment, then reappear in a while. And lastly, update your PC's graphics driver. Do it by opening Device Manager, expand the display adapters, right-click on the graphics driver, select Update Driver, and then select Search automatically for drivers. Now this will download all the possible updates. And those are the different ways on how to restore missing desktop icons in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.